Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty and few stock analysis for the coming week based on GAN and Astro analysis. So let's get started. So first thing is the first Astro event which is happening is the Venus. It is going in, it is changing the sign to Leo, and that is happening tomorrow. So I've already drawn the lines here. The last time it happened was on 2nd June, and after that this low was never breached and the market has been in a kind of sideways zone, but it came around this low two times and gave it very decent bounce back. So this is the first Astro event which is happening, and this is happening today. So basically we can take the Friday's high and low and plan our trade accordingly. And the second Astro event which is happening is the Saturn and the Moon cycle, which we draw, which I've drawn many times, I've shown you. So these are the Saturn and Moon cycles, and we capture a lot of highs and lows around these lines. So this is happening again today. So again, Friday's high and low will be very, very important for me. Now, a lot of people ask me like, how do we implement this? So, I'll just quickly take an example. Now, before that, what is the impact of Venus? So, Venus has impact on all jewelry brands come under Venus, high-end automobiles come under Venus, Tata Motors, Titan, currency, crude. These all things are part of Venus. So, whenever these things are happening, you tend to see a good moves in these particular stocks. So, we'll take an example of 2nd June. So this was 2nd June, and if you can see here, the low Nifty made was 15,459, and high it made was 15,500 or round up to 15,600. I'll just draw these lines to knowing Astro event, they give us CIT, what we call change in trend, but how to use them. So so we got, whenever it touches this high, we can take a trade in minimum like 150 to 200 points. We can easily get, see so many times it has touched the high and bounce back in that period. And we had those big gap downs also, so it was not able to breathe the low, just bounce from this low and we had a good move. So these highs and lows will play a very, very important role. I've given like I told you, any stock which is related to jewelry and luxury, and even sugar sector also comes a part of this. So you can see here, this was 2nd June. Titan, the very next day it bounced back almost 6%. 6% in an FNO stock, it's a good deal, and never broke that low, and continue to move ahead. So again, this high and low 17.92 and 17.42, whichever side is broken, you can easily gain 100 points move in Titan. Again, Kalyan Jewelers, a cash stock, again this was broken. 2nd June high was broken, and from there we had a big rally. Again, the stock is near at a crucial support level, so probably if once it goes above 81, then it can break this, this life high of 89. Tata Motors, a very good example again. Again, you can see here, this was 2nd June, very good move came in. So now Tata Motors about 343, I think it can again go to 360 odd levels. And if it breaks 333, then 323, 3110 and 290 are the levels. Balrampur Chini, again 2nd June was here, and after that only the big rally started. So Balrampur Chini about 363 is something which will be bullish, and I think it can move to 400 odd levels. And if it breach 343 on downside, then it can go to 323 odd levels. And this is crude has been rally, is having a one-sided rally on the market. See here, 2nd June, and from there a big swing started up. So again, Friday's high and low are very important to be watched in crude also. So this was a brief analysis how we can, I have shown you, I've given you an aspect on different sectors and Nifty. Now, so we have two important aspects, and one important thing which is happening is we are for Bank Nifty, watch out for this level of 35,800. If tomorrow or whenever this high, if 35,800 is the PRZ zone, if it is not able to cross it, then only we can expect a correction. Otherwise, the rally can move on upside. And for Bank Nifty, we are completing, like it bounced very beautifully from this low. And for Nifty, I wanted to show you the weekly time cycle. But before that, yes, this is the PRZ zone of Nifty around 16,237. So probably if 15,900 is broken on upside, then we can see a quick rally to 16,000, 16,200, and 300 is something where the PRZ zone is coming. I wanted to show you the time cycle. These are the weekly time cycles, and we are completing the 66th week from this low. So very important week for the very important week is coming ahead for us. So that's about it. And these are the levels which I'm watching out for. Nifty trend descending level will be 901, and these are the targets which I'm looking at upside, and these are the targets on downside. And for Bank Nifty 35 400, 600, 920, these are the resistance on upside, and these are the levels which you can take if 35 400 is not breached and starts coming down. So a very quick video on using the GAN and Astro analysis. Let's see how market reacts. I wish you guys the best. Stay safe, stay healthy, and get vaccinated. Thank you, guys.